we are here to announce the third edition of the Dr. Filipe Pinto Memorial All-Goa Major Ranking Table Tennis Tournament. As you know, this tournament is being organized by me, his grandson, in association with Clube Vasco da Gama at this lovely iconic club. We have had more than 300 entries in both the first and the second editions, and I'm hopeful and looking forward that we will get an even higher and a better response this year. The tournament will be conducted from the 17th to the 22nd at the club, and entries for the tournament will be in cadet girls and cadet boys, sub-junior girls and sub-junior boys, junior girls and junior boys, women's singles and men's singles. The draws will be held tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. at the club. Appeal to people of Panjim and surrounding areas to come out to the club because there are a lot of good games. Come watch some good talent, encourage the sport of table tennis.